Okay, so I'm getting ready to put this up on the dyno over here. And what's interesting about it is that I built this engine originally. It's got comp 262s, and I didn't degree the cams on it. And I had some valve float, and so I pulled the engine apart, put better springs on it, valve springs on it, and degreed the cams. So the cams were off, the passenger side was off by 1 degree, and the driver's side was off by 1, the passenger was off by 4. So it's going to be interesting to put it on the dyno and see if that makes a difference or not. The other difference is the car now has 355 gears in there, so that may also reduce some horsepower and add some torque. So here's the engine. It's a Teksid block, PI heads, PI intake, BBK, throttle body, K&N intake. So I don't know if the cams are going to make any difference or if it's going to lose power because it's got the new valve springs in there. Show up very well. 296 horsepower or 291 power, 290, 296 torque. Okay, so it picked up since the last time probably 30 horsepower, and like I said, the only thing that's changed on it is valve springs, heavier valve springs. That could be keeping the valves closed when they're supposed to. I don't know, it could be degreeing the cams. Really do make that much of a difference, but either way the car picked up about 30 horsepower since the last time.